So these cute little flowers are Stylidium, and their common name is trigger plants. And it's not because they get triggered by anything that they deem politically incorrect. It's because of their pollination mechanism. So they have these little pollen presenters, and these are held under tension, held back, and when an insect such as a bee visits the flower, it will trigger the plant, and this little pollination doobie thing will spring forward and hit the bee on the head, whacking it with a nice dollop of pollen. So the bees, I love watching them visit these flowers. I can't see any bees visiting them today, but it's very cute to watch. So I'm going to be a bee and demonstrate this pollination mechanism. Now, quite a few of these already have their little spring sprung, so I will find one that hasn't, such as this one here. And so this is going to be a bee, and watch closely. It will go to the flower, go to the middle for nectar, and then whack. That's a little pollen thing. Hits the bee on the head. Nice dollop of pollen. So that is Stylidium and their very cute pollination mechanism.